You've probably seen args in Python before, maybe in someone else's code or a tutorial, but didn't really know what it does. Let me explain it in the simplest way possible. Imagine you have a function that adds two numbers. When you run it with add to 4, it works perfectly and gives you 6. But then you try to update the function call to add to 4, 6, and suddenly you get an error. Why? Because the function is only expecting two parameters, nothing more. But in real life situations, sometimes you don't know how many numbers will be passed into your function. That's exactly where the magic of args comes in. Args allows your function to accept any number of arguments. Instead of limiting it to two, you can pass 3, 5, or even 10 values, and the function will still work. Since we don't know how many values are coming in, we can use a for loop to process each one. It's super flexible and really helpful when building reusable code. Once you switch to using args, you'll see that the same example now returns 12, and you can add even more numbers if you want. No more errors, just clean, working code. So if you ever need to accept a variable number of arguments in your Python functions, remember args. And don't forget to check out the other tutorials. We're learning Python step by step together.